What's up guys, Will H back with another video. So I finally got my string protectors for my Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. Finally getting some accessories in. So I got the string protectors here from Amazon. These are by the company JETech. I've used them before on other devices and they work great. These are tempered glass string protectors. And here are some of the features and details. Ultra clear, 9H hardness, tempered glass, scratch resistant, and highly responsive. These were about 12 bucks on Amazon. I'll drop the link in the description, let you guys, if you need to pick them up, we'll see how they work. And let's go ahead and get this cut. Get these out. I think there's a little pull tab here, but I'm just gonna cut it open and we'll get into packaging like this. So here we go. So this comes with an alignment tool as well to help you align the string protector. And so far, man, I'm telling you, that's the perfect size tablet right there for me. I'm glad I didn't pick up the bigger tablets. This one's just been working out great. So let's go ahead and peel this piece of tape. So here it is. So within the packaging, you're gonna get your your wet wipe, your microfiber cleaning cloth, your dust absorbers. There's 2 string protectors in here, so you're gonna get squeegee as well in this packet. So they give you one squeegee and the other one. You're gonna get the warranty card here. Installation instructions here telling you how to apply the string protector. And of course, the alignment tool like I told you guys about, and your 2 string protectors. So we're gonna get this cleaned up and we'll drop it on there and see how it works. All right guys, so we're gonna get this cleaned up. Drop it on there and check this baby out. Make sure it works like it's supposed to. So I'm going to take my wet wipe first and get all my fingerprints off of there. So give it a good wipe down. All right guys, so this is the final application. Very easy to put on. The alignment tool works great. Had a few bubbles, were very easy to get those out with the squeegee included and the microfiber cleaning cloth. No issue. Great cutouts, perfect fit here around the camera. This goes edge to edge. My case is on the way, so I'll see if they work with the cases. Let's go ahead and try out fingerprint. Fingerprint works. Let's try using the S Pen. So no issues using the S Pen strolling about on the device. It's not hindered here. Let's go ahead and try writing something. Let's go here. We're going to search for something. I'm going to write it out. Games, I did it a little early, it worked. As you guys see, it is recognizing my handwriting. We'll go ahead to search. So string protectors work this string protector works very well for 11, 12 bucks. I don't think you can go wrong with it. I'll definitely drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. Will H, I'm out.